All right, what's going on, guys? Tempo Trades. In today's video, we're gonna be doing a day in the life sort of deal. It's a vlog. I'm gonna be going around my typical Saturday, showing you guys what I do, and we're trying to incorporate some more lifestyle videos with the trading. So let's get into it. All right, first things first, I want to do a room tour because I've never actually done an official room tour. So here's what my setup looks like. I basically have 3 monitors here. The right one's usually for Discord, the middle one's usually TradingView, and then the left one is usually for my execution software, maybe a YouTube video, just something like that. So up here we got some Walter White, Breaking Bad signed poster. Over there we got a Tyreek Hill signed poster. That's me, what's going on? And then here's my room basically. So it's a pretty nice room, a lot of space. I got my own bathroom in there, got my own closet, and I really like it, man. Really like it. We got the Louis bag I bought in Japan right there. We got some shoes. We'll see which ones I end up wearing. That's about it. We got a signed Carmelo Anthony ball right there. It's my favorite basketball player of all time. And then last thing, I got my watches right here. So I bought this watch for my 21st birthday, and then this watch was a graduation gift from high school. So gonna, getting a little bit into watches, but nothing too crazy, All right, so typically on the weekends, I'll wake up at 10 or 11 a.m. I'll look at Discord. I'll see if anyone messaged me, if there's anything I need to reply to, and stuff like that. Don't let any of these furus fool you who say you have to wake up at 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. On the weekends, I wake up at 10 a.m., 11 a.m., whatever I need to do, because obviously on the weekdays, we're waking up at 8 to 8:30. So I like to get my sleep on the weekend, and I've made money doing this with trading. I've made money doing this with e-commerce. So whoever says you gotta wake up at 6 a.m. and meditate, like if you do that, cool, but it's not needed. You know what I'm saying? So. All right, so we're going with the infrared Jordan 6s today. So here's my bird. He's a blue Quaker parrot. He makes a lot of noise, so when I'm streaming or recording or anything like that, I gotta put him outside or put him away, but I think right now he's scared of this big ass camera. All right, so here she is. That's my dad's classical car in the back. But here she is. So we got the 2018 Carrera S. My dad's car's in the shop. All right, so here's me inside of the car. Pretty nice. I love the black with the red. Very, very nice. And here we go with the startup. We're gonna see what this sounds like here. Right now we're gonna head to a friend's house. We're going to watch the Miami game. Not a big college football guy personally. I'm really big into normal NFL. I'm big into soccer or football for all my European guys. And then I've been on and off with NBA. I definitely have enjoyed NBA 5 years ago compared to now, but I'm still well versed in NBA. So something I wanted to touch up on is traveling. I think that when you're a day trader and you have the location freedom to really trade from wherever in the world, traveling's super important. And I've done my fair share of traveling. I've gone to Europe 2 times. I went to Japan. I just came back 2 months ago. But especially trading at home in the same environment every single day, I think you can experience some burnout, and it just feels like you're going through the motions. So I really like traveling, not only just to experience different cultures and stuff like that, but you're also working in a different environment. For me, I feel like that really freshens up the trading and sharpens the senses and everything like that. So going into the future, a lot of my friends I usually go on trips with, they're all booked and they're all busy. So I've been thinking about solo traveling. I don't know how you guys feel about that. For me, it's kind of crazy. I mean, going across the world in a country that I don't speak the language, and just being by myself, that's pretty ambitious for me. So what are your thoughts on that? Would you guys just try to find like a traveling buddy, maybe even 1 or 2 people that you can go with, or would you guys just be super ambitious and go on a month-long trip or a 2-3 week trip in a different country by yourself? I've been thinking about that. Alright guys, so we're at a bar right now, and we're watching the Miami game. So the story behind this is our friend is a really big Miami fan, and we don't really care. Bro, you can't laugh, you're ruining the clip. Okay, we're at the bar right now, and our friend is a huge Miami fan, and this is the first time they've been ranked top 5. So every Saturday, me and my friends, we've just been getting together to hate watch Miami pretty much. So we're trying to root for Duke here. Alright, Matt, thoughts?
I don't like Miami. I got $20 on Duke, bro. Dude, I love Duke.
Looking good.
Alright, so I'll update you on the hate watch. Alright, so we just placed a halftime bet. We got 100 to win 100. Miami 3.5.
That is sick. How much are these? Oh, look at that.
Wait. That is insane.
Is there like a price tag on these things?
Putting this on the story, bro.
Yeah, give him your autograph.
Yo, thoughts, Matt?
On what?
Of the day so far?
I'm about to get this shirt for $10.
Thoughts on the Miami game?
We'll come back.
All right, boys, update on the bet. There was never a doubt. What does that say? Miami's up 20, 2 minutes left.
They're up by 20 points?
Quick.
Wait, actually? What?
Luis.
Nah, dude.
Luis, tell him the bet. Tell him the bet.
Nah, bro, I put all my money on Duke.
He put the whole house on Duke, but why is it not? Oh, there we go. So there's the bet. He's a fake Colombian fan, by the way, just for the record.
Yo, tell me in the comments right now who this is.
My day's ruined, bro. I was expecting Duke to win, man. I wore the blue and everything.
Boy Najee's in there waiting. He's trying on 50 shirts. Najee, you're buying it? All right, so here's all the flavors. Alright, just got Cookie Matsu shake right here. It's pretty good. I mean, this is hella big too, so fire. Look at this. We're at a little ice cream shop, like sweet shop here. So we are back. We went eating, we went to a jewelry store, we went to a concert, museum, and now we're gonna watch a movie. Matt, we're deciding on Inglourious Basterds, right? Yeah. Alright, so I've never watched it. Matt's the movie guy. He's very, very high praises for this movie. So we're going to watch it, and then we should be playing poker later.
Something for yourself, sir? Whiskey, straight.
We just got finished watching a movie. Gonna hop in the whip now. So the lighting is probably bad, but we just got done watching Inglourious Basterds. Great movie. My friend's a very big movie buff. Funny story, he worked at State Farm for like a year or 2 years, and they required him to do like no work. So dude basically watched like 2 to 3 movies every shift for a year or 2, and he was just collecting a free check. So he just went on a huge movie arc, and he's watched like all of the greats. I mean, he said he's watched over 1,000 movies. So, and that kind of wraps up my day. I wanted to run poker. It doesn't look like we're gonna run it tonight. Normally I'll bring some of my friends over, you know, on the weekends, 6, 7, 8 of us, and we'll play. But if not, we're just probably gonna chill for the rest of the day, maybe look at some trading stuff, and then go to bed. All right, so it does look like we are gonna play poker. As you can see, we just have the round table. Look at this view though. Look at this view. So we just all chill back here pretty much every Saturday or Sunday. And then we play some cards, you know. Trading can be gambling, so I don't like to gamble all the time. But I do like me some poker, man. I do like me some poker. So this right here is how I'm ending my night. Finishing the last episode of this Jude Bellingham documentary. Like I said previously, I really do like soccer, so just catching up on this. What a player. Honestly, not much trading content in this vlog, but I really try to reset and just distance myself from the charts on the weekend. So during the week, I am going to do some vlog style content. We're going to, half the video will be a trade recap or a breakdown of something I took that day. The other half will be what I did the rest of the day. But really on the weekend, it's just good to reset, man. You can really just make your brain like mush if you're just constantly looking at the charts. So when I first started trading, I wanted to trade every single day. I'm like, oh my God, when's the market going to open again? I want to make money. Now I'm okay with 5 days. I use the 2 days to just completely reset, go hang out with my friends, get out of the house, and that way you're just fresh Monday. So not a lot of trading content today, but tomorrow I am going to be doing a back testing session with the Discord. We're going to be looking at the 2020 elections because upcoming this week is the 2024 election. So we're going to see what we should expect. Is it going to be volatile? Is it going to be manipulative? What kind of price action to expect next week. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for sticking with me throughout this whole day. Leave a comment what you want to see next time. Peace.